going on here? Hey, bro. You have a monkey? Welcome to Puerto Rico. Crazy. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video here at No Travel, No Vida. It is Saturday night in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and I want to show you guys the craziest nightlife spot here in San Juan called Placita de Santurce. It is the biggest outdoor nightlife place to go in Puerto Rico on a weekend. So if you want to see how nightlife is here in a place of music and culture, this is the video for you. Let's go. What I can tell you about this place before arriving, by the way, sipping on a zero sugar monster right now to get the vibe right, is that this Placita de Santurce is a food market by day. It's where locals go, shop for fruits, vegetables, and at night they turn it into the biggest outdoor nightclub district with different clubs all around. And in the center, people are dancing on the streets, from old generations dancing salsa, which is well known in Puerto Rico, to the younger generations grinding to Bad Bunny, which is the hometown hero right now in San Juan. I'm interested to see how the different cultures or the different eras combine here in Puerto Rico, as well as see, is this a place for only locals or are there tourists mixed in as well? I can already hear the music coming. Vibes are starting to pick up. We have arrived. I'm gonna let some of these clips just play on. We got some balconies over here. So there's two options here. Wait in line for a club or party outside. There's obviously a line for a club. Running down the streets here. And in Puerto Rico, it's a little crazy. There are some gun problems here. Just to know, some places here have free entrance getting into the club. I'm trying to find my way around. On my way right now to where the street party is in the same district. But just off of it, you can get caught on some sketchy side streets. So just be very careful. Now we are entering in the most famous part here in Placita de Santurce. The beautiful art murals. But the vibes are gonna get crazy. I'll tell you right now, it's super hot, but I'm sure it's gonna get even hotter. Hey, bro. You have a monkey? Yeah. It's your pet? Your monkey? Okay. Oh, this guy's a fucking monkey. A lot of food here. We're getting ready for Halloween. vibe. Subscribe down below, guys. It means the world to me. Now back to the video. Behind me is where the party happens on the street in the Placita. Just to show you, there are many of these little shops that sell drinks. These are the prices you can see. $5 shots, $10 mojitos. Of course, it's USD because we are in Puerto Rico. It is a US territory. They use US dollars. But let's walk down the best part here. All of these are the outdoor bars. Inside the clubs is totally different than outside. Less serious outside. Now they're changing the music up to some salsa. Just across the street from where we were, we're in a salsa bar now. This is what I was talking about with the older generation and the new generation. Different music, different mind. The vibe here is crazy, and what I mean by that is it doesn't feel super safe, but it doesn't feel dangerous because there are a lot of police that are around the area. But once you're inside like where we are, there aren't any police. And this area has been known to have some violent altercations and shit happen here. But like I mentioned, guys, a lot of police presence here, all around the place. So safety, shit can pop up, but people are gonna be a little bit smarter with the police in the background. Definitely the vibe feels very authentic. You can look around, not a lot of tourists. It's more of a local Puerto Rican crowd. If you go into Old San Juan, that's one thing. Like the place I showed in another video of mine, it is called San Sebastian Street. But when you're here, it's gonna be a lot more local. If you guys are worried about dress code, I wouldn't worry about it. Everyone here is in like a t-shirt, shorts, super cool vibe. I just tried to grab my camera. Not happening, bro. Not today. We're dying with this camera, motherfucker. I'm gonna take you guys into one of the clubs. I had to turn off my lights. Let's see how we'll look. Wild street parties in front of taxis. Oh, what is going on here? Crazy ass shit. Blocking taxis, shaking their asses. Where the fuck am I? And just because you're in a madness doesn't mean there's an escape. You have these little cigar shops here. I asked before. Are we good? Yeah? Okay. All right. Little cigar shop here. So if you do want to chill, if you do want to take a break, there's a place here where you can chill out, have a cigar, and that's it. Thank you, brother. Bro, they're hardcore on the filming here. I asked before I filmed, guys, I swear. But there's these chill little lounges outside of the craziness. From what I gathered here at Placita, it's a cultural melting pot. It's where Puerto Ricans can go out, let go, It's not based on which music they like or if the air conditioning's blasting or not. It's based on good vibes. And if you guys come here, I think you guys are gonna have a good time. There's little food spots around here. Drinks are anywhere from 5 to 10 USD, which isn't crazy. The dancing is crazy. People are really nice. I have nothing bad to say about Placita. The vibe is a little gritty. Don't worry about what you're wearing because you're gonna get sweaty, you're gonna get hot, and you're probably gonna have a good fucking time. If you're in Puerto Rico, you gotta come here in San Juan. I'm gonna sign off and I'm gonna party the night away. Subscribe, like, and comment, guys. It means the world to me. And until the next video, it's no travel, no vida. Peace.